Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Best Egg customer service. If you need help with the Best Egg personal loan, vehicle equity loan, credit card payments, or others, what you can do is open any of the web browser. And in the top, there is a address bar. You need to type down bestegg.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, you need to scroll a bit down until you find this contact under the support. Select that. So over here, you can simply find this number. You can scroll a bit down for the personal loans. You can call to this number. And scroll a bit down again for the vehicle equity loans. You can call to this number here. And before contacting, make sure you have account information available for your identity verification. And if you need more help, you can also scroll a bit down and you can go to this read FAQs, which is the frequently asked question here. So if you find any relatable questions here, what you can do is you can simply open it, and after that, you can find the instruction here. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.